Yes, why thank you, David. And now, breaking news. There's trouble at the log camp. Over to you, David.
What was that? Oh yes. Thank you, David. As you can see, we are flying up to the logging coop in a remote part of the forest. We can see the tree huggers, the greenies, conservationists, holding a placard. And I can also see people rock climbing. Are they mad? And we can also see the tree murderers. Rednecks. Forest workers on their machines. These are ancient temperate rainforests, full of mountain ash, myrtle, sassafras and cedarwood. Bloody trees, they spoil the view, don't you think? Anyway, time to go. Back to you, David. No pictures. Yeah, bloody media. All this.